Hello, welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll explain the specific items quantity condition in our Cart Lock app. Open the Cart Lock app. First, click on the Add a New Rule button. Click on the Add a New Condition button. Now from the list that appears, choose the specific items quantity option. Here, block if less than sets the minimum quantity allowed. Anything less gets blocked. And block if more than sets the maximum allowed. Anything more gets blocked. Remember, you can't use block if less than and block if more than at the same time. We will enter 5 in the block if less than field, so the customer's order will be blocked if the specific item's quantity is less than 5. Specific items quantity means the total quantity of some specific collections, product tags, products, or variants. For this, we will add another condition called products, as we want to apply the specific items quantity restriction to certain products. Now click Add a New Condition again. Select Products, and add your desired products. You can add multiple products too. For this example, let's select the wooden spin and black bear. Now, give your rule a name. The name is just for internal use. Next, set a proper message. Customers will see this message when the rule is triggered, so make it simple and useful. Click the Save button to apply your rule. That's it, your rule is now set. Now let's add the wooden spin and black bear to the cart. Let's go to the checkout page. As we can see, the error message we set in the rule is visible, and the order is blocked because the total quantity of wooden spin and black bear is less than 5. Now, let's increase the quantity of wooden spin, so the total quantity of these two items exceeds the minimum quantity restriction of 5. Once again, let's head over to the checkout page and take a look. As expected, you'll now see that the error message is gone, because we have met the minimum quantity requirement of 5 for the wooden spin and black bear items. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!